Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome to PST. Today, I am at my factory, our China factory in Guangzhou. So, let me show you around our factory. Come, let's go. Our factory, our office, our demo place. This is our outdoor demo area. Let's see our machines. It has been here for years, some of the models. Under the rain, under the storm, under the sun, even under the winter. You come over to our factory, try on our machines, and you will know. And let's move off to our indoor. Before we move off, as you can see, we have another type of machine is over here, B5 Wiresaw, B5 and B5 Mini. And this machine is over here and is ready to give it to a customer overseas. Come, let's go to the indoor. Our indoor demo place is for you to test our machines. Come, let's see our machines. And welcome to our showroom. Our showroom have also machine on Wallsaw and Wiresaw. So for this range of Wiresaw, to our before, our high frequency, Floorsaw, and the most important thing is we have our Wiresaw for fire and rescue. It's a small and easy maneuver for you. Go any place you want. Come, this is a whole range of Wiresaw that you can see by using our hydraulic power pack. And this is our pulley. Our cordial, and from Wallsaw, we do have a curved track for any tunnel cutting. Our Wallsaw blade, and our branch pulley. Come, let's go to see our member and our factory. Welcome to our factory. This is our TD factory, and some of the goods we are ready to go. This is our DiamondWire, and a lot of customer has ordered our pulley wheel. Come. We have our cordial that's ready to go out. This whole set of cordial is great for exports. We have all sizes of wheel for you to choose. Even if your machine do have problem on the wheel, we have it. Our circular Wiresaw. Come, let me show you around my whole factory. Our working station. Our guys are preparing the machines for overseas. Come. Come, let's go to our R&D department. Welcome to our R&D department. Let's go. This is the department where we are troubleshooting of all our machines, and our machines is all been designed, okay, by all our engineer and designer. Let's see. This is our engineer and designer. Now, let's see what he's doing. After our R&D department, now let me introduce to you the founder of Hilti. Here, Mr. Deng.
大家好，我是天地的创始人邓永华很荣幸和新加坡杨总成为合作伙伴。我们要继续努力，把产品走向国际化感谢大家的支持与认可。
So this is Mr. Deng, the founder of Hilti. So we are working hand in hand to open up overseas market. So as what we say, we are precise, we have solution for you. At Hilti, we are not only good in our machines, we have good chef to prepare our dinner. Let's see. This is our member. 每个人讲
Hello，
Hi，
欢迎大家。
Come, let's have dinner.